Hey guys, Thatnub here. Today we're checking out the VA-C10 weapon mounted light from Vastfire. Inside the box you're going to get the light itself, a USB charger, a mount for your rifle, two 18650 batteries, and a toggle switch for the light. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. It is dark 30 and we're outside and it is burr cold out tonight, so we're going to make this one quick. Luckily this light only has one setting, so we're going to hit it on. That is a bright focused beam. Look at that, off of the pump house there 50 feet away. Off of the trees at the end of the grass there 100 feet away. Off of the end of the fence line there 150 feet away. And into those trees across the road there 200 feet away. Operation of this light is pretty simple. We have one button in the back here that turns it on and off. And that's going to shoot out 1250 lumens worth of light. If you add the pressure switch, you will get your on and off. And you will also get a momentary. This light comes with two 18650 batteries, which can be charged by this USB charger. When it's charging, the light will be red, and when it's done charging, the light will be green. Inside the bag with the mount, I received the mount itself and two Allen wrenches. The smaller of the two tightens or loosens these hex nuts here. The larger one doesn't go anywhere, so that goes in the toolbox. So we can take our flashlight, you take the end off, slide it into there, and then tighten it down. Once you have that tightened down, you can put your end cap on with the pressure switch. Test it out to make sure it works. And we are going to be using Baby Girl's 1522 for this. We're just going to stick this right here. Quick release. Goes on pretty easy. Now we just got to find somewhere to hide the wire. Now that we have the wire hidden away here a little bit, we have some Velcro here with sticky on each side. One end's supposed to go here and the other end is supposed to go somewhere like this. But I really don't like the way that that's going to stick right now, so we're not going to do that. But in theory, this is where it's supposed to be. So we can turn on our light, momentary, and on and off. And that's what your light's going to look like on a rifle. It has an IPX6 water resistance rating, and it is impact resistant for 1.5 meters. The light itself has a 5-year warranty, and the pressure switch has a lifetime warranty on it. It has an X-Lamp XM L2 LED and a smooth, deep reflector that's going to give you that long focused beam. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.